Let's get started. First, connect your wallet. Make sure to have enough BNB for gas fees. Select the asset market you'd like to deposit your assets. Key in the amount you'd like to deposit and click on the deposit button. Click confirm on the wallet notification to transact. After you have deposited your assets, you can now borrow some RUSD, while still earning yield on your deposits. Key in the amount of RUSD you'd like to borrow, then click on the Mint button. Click confirm on the wallet notification to transact, and you're done. Now go to the liquidity page. Select an LP pair you'd like to add liquidity to. We'll use RUSD, BUSD pool as an example. Enter the amount of liquidity you'd like to add. Click on Add Liquidity. Go back to the assets markets and select the LP stablecoin vault. Enter the amount of LP tokens you'd like to deposit and earn staking rewards. Sit back and earn yields from two sources: your deposited assets in the single asset market, and the LP tokens from the LP pool. There is no lock-in period. You can claim your rewards by clicking on the Claim Rewards button, then click Withdraw at any time.